So, tonight was, eventful.
Eventful? You call swinging around the city fighting villains eventful?
Well, when you put it like that, yeah, I mean, I'm glad you were there. Made it less terrifying.
Oh, you mean it wasn't the web slinging and explosions that made you nervous?
I was more nervous about, well, you being there. I didn't want you to get hurt.
I can handle myself, Parker, but thanks. I appreciate it.
MJ, I don't know how to say this, but being around you, it makes me feel like I'm just Peter, not Spider-Man, just me.
Maybe that's because I like Peter, not just the guy in the suit.
Really?
Yeah, you don't have to impress me with all the hero stuff. Just be yourself.
Thanks, MJ. That means a lot.
But Peter, this isn't easy, right? This hero thing, it's dangerous. And you've got to take care of yourself, too.
I know, I want to do the right thing, and having you here, it helps a lot.
Then, I'll be here. Just don't keep secrets from me, okay? I want to know what's really going on.
Deal.
Guess that's your cue, hero.
Yeah, duty calls.
Be safe, Parker, and come back in one piece.
I will, promise.